This Saturday, mega open house.
Hey, social media world, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, WhatsApp. Now, a great buddy of mine who owns Arise Realty has 3 listings right now. So he called me up and said, hey, D, I can't be in 3 places at one time. I need your help selling one of these homes, man. Please bring me some buyers. I said, you know what? You need one of those mega open houses. So you know what? I got you, my friend. So people, you already know what time it is. This Saturday, 12 to 2, I'll be at 9170 Bramley Terrace in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. People, you have to see this home. 5 bedrooms, pool, over 2,500 square feet, and close to shopping. Can't beat that with a stick. And on top of it all, it's in the beautiful neighborhood of Westbrook. So if you or anyone you know is looking for a beautiful family home, come on by, check out the home, and if you're not in the market, come on by and just say hi. All right? Look forward to seeing you guys. See you Saturday. Thanks for watching. If you like this home in this video and would like a tour, please don't hesitate to give me a call so we can have a quick chat. You can also email me or DM me on one of my many social media platforms. And also please like, follow, subscribe, and share this video to help the channel grow. Thank you again. I look forward to meeting you.